These smooth plastic bottles you see on the screen right now carry one of the most invisible stories of modern industry. For years, we were told that when we throw the plastics we use into recycling bins, we are protecting the environment. But behind this system lies another reality that most people never see. Most of the plastics in the world are never truly recycled. And those little numbers you see under the bottles are actually an identification code showing how the plastic is produced, how it breaks down, and where it will eventually turn into. Today, we are examining together the invisible engineering behind the plastic we hold in our hands every day. The plastic products we use in our homes do not arrive at factories ready-made. Everything starts with billions of small plastic beads the size of a lentil, which the industry calls nurdles. These beads are melted at high temperatures in giant production facilities, and then injected into molds to be transformed into new products. With each melting process, the polymer chains inside it weaken a bit more. So a plastic bottle often cannot turn back into another plastic bottle of the same quality. Its quality drops a bit more with each process. That's why a significant portion of recycled plastics is used in lower quality products instead of new bottles. For example, a plastic water bottle you drink today can turn into a synthetic fabric, a carpet, or a fleece jacket tomorrow. But this transformation chain also has an end. Because plastic wears out a bit more every time it is reprocessed, and in the end, it becomes unrecyclable. In other words, the system does not completely destroy the plastic. It just extends its time to reach the landfill. The plastic industry offered great convenience to humanity. But at the same time, it left a synthetic legacy that nature will struggle to decompose for hundreds of years. Next time you pick up a plastic bottle, pay attention to the little code underneath, because that code is not just a recycling sign. It's a small part of the long story that the modern world will leave behind. Don't forget to follow Depometa to continue discovering the unseen side of the industry. See you in the next transformation.